Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on a sheet with raw dates. First, select the column or range you'll convert. Once selected, use the menu format number date to normalize entries so Sheets recognizes them as dates. If some cells aren't converting, check for leading apostrophes or mixed formats and clear them. You can also paste values into a new column to isolate issues. Make sure locale settings match the date style you expect, because that affects parsing and available formats. Now you'll refine how dates appear. Open more date and time formats to pick a built-in or type a custom pattern. For example, use MMMDD/EI for abbreviated month names or DD/MM/EI for numeric day month year. You can add time placeholders if your calendar includes times. Once you apply a custom pattern, Sheets updates instantly. If numbers shift, undo and recheck that cells are true dates. Keep consistency across columns. Finish by handling edge cases and creating durable outputs. If you need formatted text for export, use text A2 MMMDDEI in a helper column so originals remain intact. If Sheets misreads formats, change file settings locale to match your date style and then reapply formats. When dates remain as text, use date value or split components with split and assemble via date, year, month, day. One quick troubleshooting tip: convert a small sample first to confirm the process before bulk changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.